guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ada Atayibo in the building. You are welcome, guys. This one is a home vibe. We had a makeup class and I can't wait to show you guys what we had in store. Today is the second day of the makeup class that we had, and this makeup class was packed. We shared knowledge, we shared all our techniques, we spilled out the tea. So if you missed this class, check this out. Being a makeup artist is what you want to do. You must work on yourself hard enough to be ready to be a makeup artist, because it comes with a whole lot of work. Just
in fact, this class was awesome. I have learned a lot. On the advert, she said she's going to spill a lot and she's going to teach some of the secrets of achieving a flawless makeup. And indeed, she did that. We thank you so much, Ada. God bless you. I'm grateful.
Into like what we came here to do, and I really achieved the flawless makeup. Blend, no.
Alongside Issa and those. Two. Ready? Go.
And the thing she gave us, I mean, the money is even way below the thing she has given us. The souvenirs, even the food, the drinks, everything. I wish it's my birthday.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Yes, that was how our makeup class went. Watch out for my next upcoming makeup class, because it will be in 2021. And yes, this one, if you know you missed this one, imagine what the next one will be like. So do not miss out. Make sure to call our numbers or check us out on Instagram for any more information you might want to know about the makeup class. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and please share to your friends and family. And also tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.